This channel right here is doing an amazing job. It is getting millions of views with videos that are easy to create. And look at their social blade. They estimate their monthly income between $8,000 and $129,000 a month. And they are gaining roughly 2,000 subscribers a day. That doesn't sound bad, right? But what makes the channel that successful? Well guys, I found out about their trick. It is really clever what they are doing. Want to know the trick and how to make a prosperous channel like that? Well, you are in luck because, hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can create your own international successful faceless YouTube channel. I am going to show you how to make the content, how to implement the tricks, and how to use AI for some extra help. Are you ready? Well, let's go. First of all, let's take a closer look at the channel that we are going to take inspiration from. The channel is called List-o-holic, and as you can see, they are currently making a series of videos about movie actors from a certain movie that passed away. This one was uploaded only 2 days ago, and it already has over 450,000 views. Okay, let's check that one out. They basically just show an image of the actor from a movie or series and add their birth name, actor name, birth date, and the date they've died. There is not much to it. But what is that secret little trick they are using? Well, watch this. If I go to the YouTube settings and select a different language, then all of a sudden all the video titles from the channel are changing to that language. Like magic. Even if I try this language, I don't even know what it is. Just look at that. Combine this with the fact that the video content is also language universal. This largely contributes to the success of the channel. It is getting views from all over the world. And yes, I am going to show you how you can do that too. And by the way, the channel is monetized. Here is some proof. So, let's start and create the content. I will show you 2 ways. First, we will just copy their exact technique and list idea. And secondly, I will show you a more creative spin on the concept. So yeah, now we first need a list of actors that have passed away from a certain movie. You can just use Google to find lists like these. I took a bit different approach. I asked ChatGPT for an iconic old movie. Then I picked the movie, Sissy, from 1955. Now just go to Google and collect images from the actors that passed away. Ideally, you want one image of them as an actor in the movie, then one where they were young, and then one where they were old. After collecting all the images, it is time to create the thumbnail. Because that is the way the channel List-o-holic starts their videos. So I choose these 2 images for the thumbnail. Let's go to Canva to create the thumbnail. You can use Canva for free, and they also have a free premium trial available. Now go to search and search for YouTube thumbnail, and now click on Create a blank YouTube thumbnail. Now simply drag the 2 images in there, resize them, and make each of them fill 50% of the image. Now go to Share and press Download twice to save the image. Okay, great. Now we are actually going to create the video. We are going to use CapCut. It is free to use and very user-friendly. Open a new project and just drop the images in there. Make sure the ratio is widescreen, for example 16:9. And guys, the first project you will be making will take more time than the next one. Not only because you will be more used to the program, but also because you will be able to use this project as your template for the next video. Okay, for the intro, we will have the thumbnail like this. Now go to Text and add the movie title. So I will call it Sissy. On the right, you can customize the text with a different font, shadow, and even some animations. Next, let's also add this subtitle. As a background image, I used this image from the movie and placed it where it says cover. And by the way, guys, I also turned off the track magnet right here. But that is up to you. Now after the intro, add the actor image on the left like this. Now on the right, we will write some text, like their name and birth date. To make that look good, let's first head over to Canva, and now download a shape like this. Make sure to toggle on the transparent background before clicking the download button. Okay, that looks great. Now add the real name, actor's name, birth date, and the date they passed away. For the birth date, we are going to use this star symbol And for the date they passed away, we are going to use the cross symbol. You can simply just copy and paste it from this video description. And since my cross symbol looked a bit weird in the font I used, I simply changed the font. And after some seconds, it is time for the next section. Here we have an image of the actor when they were young on the left, and an image where they are old. And in the middle, we put the year they were born and the year they passed away. Now make sure everything looks good and you like the timings of images that are being displayed. Now select the entire block, just like this. Now press Ctrl or Command C. Click with your mouse on the end of the last image, like this, and then press Ctrl or Command V. And voila, it has been duplicated. Now we have a kind of template and only need to replace the images and text. Just like this. And now do it for all the remaining actors. Now we only need some background music. Simply go to the YouTube audio library and pick a song you think is suitable for the video. I think this one will do great. Now download it and drag it into the timeline. And now you are done. If you do not like the simple and minimalistic style of the video, you could consider adding some extra animations to the video like this. Just click on an image and choose an animation. Keep in mind that this might make the video more appealing, but it also takes you more time. When you are done, just click on File and export the video to your computer. Now it's time to upload the video to our channel and add the secret little trick to it. Give it a title, a description, and add the thumbnail we created earlier. After the video has been uploaded, go to Content, click on the video, and now go to Subtitles. And now here we can click on Add Language. Here is a list of over 100 different languages. After doing a quick Google search, we can see that after English, Spanish, and Portuguese are the most used languages on YouTube. So let's, for example, choose Spanish. And now for the title and description, click on the Edit button. Now here we need to enter the Spanish translation of our title and description. Simply copy the title and go to ChatGPT and ask it to translate it into Spanish. Voila! Done. Amazing, you do not need to translate the description. It is far more advisable to add as many translations of your YouTube title as possible. That way you can reach everyone around the world. This is an amazing trick. Look, here it is in English, and now it is in Spanish. Here is a little preview of the finished video. Okay, now I will show you a more creative twist to the concept. So I went to ChatGPT and explained that I wanted to create a channel with lists about actors, etc., and that I needed some more channel list ideas. I really liked the first idea, so I asked it to make me a list with 22 actors. 22 actors with their surprising hobbies. Now simply change the title, images and text, like this. And now it's up to you. Create your own successful international faceless YouTube channel and make it rain. Have a lot of fun and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.